CUTEK Wood Stripper is DIY friendly. No professional experience is necessary. CUTEK Wood Stripper is suitable for removing multiple layers of the most commonly used wood coatings such as latex paints, stains, varnishes, linseed oils, acrylics, and other film-forming coatings. It is also effective at removing coatings from metal, brick, and masonry surfaces. If you are already using CUTEK external timber oils, there is no need to use CUTEK Wood Stripper, as CUTEK Extreme CD50 and CUTEK Wood Preservative do not peel or flake. What you will need: paint tray, brush, broom, roller or lambswool applicator, pressure washer, soap and detergent or CUTEK Quick Clean for cleaning, and a paint scraper. Before applying, because of the variations in coatings to be stripped, it is vital to test CUTEK Wood Stripper before starting your project. This will help you determine how much time you will need to leave CUTEK Wood Stripper on the timber and how much product you will need to use for the job. Safety and precautions. Before you begin, it is important to check the hazards and precautions and ensure that you've obtained and know how to use the correct safety equipment. Also ensure you adequately protect adjacent surfaces and vegetation. Application. Apply CUTEK Wood Stripper evenly with a brush, roller or lambswool applicator to dry wood. Rubbing into the grain, it will take approximately 30 to 60 minutes to react with the coating. Keep area wet and activated by applying more CUTEK Wood Stripper or by agitating the application area with a brush, roller or lambswool applicator. Test periodically with a paint scraper to determine when the old coat is stripping cleanly off the timber. When this happens, the stripped surface is ready for rinsing. We suggest that you try and strip only 1 square metre first to perfect your technique. Removal. Once CUTEK Wood Stripper has loosened the coating, it must be power rinsed off thoroughly. For best results, power rinse with a high pressure washer. Removal with a garden hose is not sufficient. Caution must be used when cleaning soft timber, and you may need to adjust your pressure washing technique to avoid damage to the wood fibre. Clean from the lowest point and work up methodically using long even strokes in the direction of the grain. Note: CUTEK Wood Stripper may be applied more than once to thick paint or film forming coatings with many layers. After stripping the timber, clean your wood with CUTEK Restore to remove residue CUTEK Wood Stripper and rejuvenate the substrate and enhance the grain. Refer to the instructional video on CUTEK Restore for instructions. Cleanup and disposal. Equipment may be cleaned with CUTEK Quick Clean or soap and detergent and water. All wash water, containers, contents should be disposed in accordance with local regulations. Protect with CUTEK. Following the removal of paint or wood coating, bring your timber back to its original appearance with CUTEK Restore. Complete the restoration and protection process by coating your timber with CUTEK Extreme CD50 or CUTEK Wood Preservative. Prior to applying CUTEK Extreme CD50 or CUTEK Wood Preservative, ensure that your timber is completely dry. Not treating your timber after cleaning will result in a quick weathering process. For other hints, tips and tricks on how to use your CUTEK Prepare and Protect products, visit the CUTEK website.